OPEN stock analysis and predictions for Monday. Is Opendoor stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. Now, I'm the only person in this space with an actual 43,000 video track record and 5 years of experience. You know, I've documented what's working, what's printing money, especially with Opendoor. I'm aware that it's in its correction phase. The only thing that I'm looking to further do from here, though, is somehow buy, if I could, though, right? Like, it's not that I'm going to randomly buy or anything. It's just that this is how my chart is looking like, and pre-market is already above from where I want it to be. But if it just gaps up, that does not count. But if it does pull down and then shows me that shift and a double break, then and only then I'm looking to buy. Other than that, this is all pure noise. I mean, open, I do have also about 22 results as well. So that's how OPN is looking like. Let me know what is your opinion on Opendoor, and if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, that is, click the first link in the description. Get the free daily market emails and insights. Goodbye.